When homeowners in Madison Heights consider upgrades that truly make a difference in value and curb appeal, siding often ranks near the top of the list. A new siding installation is more than just a cosmetic update. It's a powerful investment that enhances both the appearance and functionality of your home. Let's explore why siding Madison Heights homes can significantly increase property value and why it's a smart choice for local homeowners. Boosts curb appeal instantly. First impressions matter, especially in real estate. The exterior of your home is the first thing potential buyers or visitors see, and siding plays a major role in shaping that perception. Faded, cracked, or outdated siding can make a property look neglected, even if the interior is beautiful and well maintained. By upgrading to modern siding, you immediately refresh the look of your home. Whether you choose vinyl, fiber cement, or engineered wood siding, you'll benefit from a wide variety of colors, textures, and finishes. This customization allows you to match your home's style perfectly while adding a polished, updated look that attracts buyers and boosts market value. Increases energy efficiency. Many buyers in Madison Heights are searching for homes that are not only stylish but also energy efficient. Old siding often lacks insulation and can contribute to drafts and higher utility bills. New siding systems can be installed with built-in insulation, creating a protective barrier that keeps warm air inside during the winter and cool air inside during the summer. This improvement doesn't just lower monthly energy costs, it's also an appealing selling point. A home with better energy efficiency is more attractive to environmentally conscious buyers and those looking to save money long-term, making it easier to command a higher asking price. Protects against Michigan's climate. Madison Heights experiences a range of weather conditions, from snowy winters to humid summers. High-quality siding acts as a shield, protecting your home from moisture, wind, and temperature fluctuations. Without reliable siding, your home could face issues like mold growth, water damage, and structural deterioration. Upgrading your siding demonstrates to potential buyers that your home has been well cared for and fortified against local weather challenges. This reassurance translates directly into higher property value and peace of mind for future homeowners. Reduces maintenance costs. Old siding often requires frequent repairs, repainting, or patching. This ongoing maintenance can be both costly and time-consuming. Modern siding materials, however, are designed for durability and minimal upkeep. Vinyl siding, for example, resists fading, warping, and insect damage, while fiber cement siding offers excellent resistance to fire and moisture. By installing new siding, you not only improve the look of your home but also reduce future maintenance expenses. This long-term value is a key selling point for potential buyers who want a home that looks great without demanding endless upkeep. Enhances resale value. Real estate studies consistently show that siding replacement projects deliver a strong return on investment, ROI. Homeowners can expect to recoup a significant portion of their installation costs when selling their property. Because siding is highly visible and improves both functionality and efficiency, buyers recognize its worth and are willing to pay more for homes with upgraded exteriors. In a competitive housing market like Madison Heights, having new siding can set your home apart from similar listings. It gives your property an edge that attracts serious buyers and helps close deals faster. Conclusion: a smart investment for Madison Heights homeowners. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful and efficient home, siding is an upgrade that pays off in multiple ways. It boosts curb appeal, improves energy efficiency, protects against the Michigan climate, reduces maintenance costs, and enhances resale value. For Madison Heights homeowners looking to make a smart, lasting investment, siding installation is one of the most effective ways to increase property value and create a home that stands out in the neighborhood.